So what's up, guys? Today is Thursday. Tomorrow I have a covered call that will be expiring. I want to close that covered call, so I'm going to show you exactly how I do that in my wheel strategy. And for those of you that want to jump down in the comments and tell me it's not the wheel strategy because I'm closing or rolling options, whatever, just save your breath, whatever. I personally do not take assignment on my calls. I like premiums and capital gains. I'll take it on puts. But once I have those shares, I'm going to hold on to them. I don't want to pay capital gains tax. I don't want to lose my shares. It's like, yeah. So let's dive in and see exactly how I'm closing that and why. So here we are inside the Robinhood. I have two puts on Tesla and I have two calls on VTI. If you can see, one of my puts is pretty good. That's like right at the money right now. I think Tesla is trading for, what's it trading for? 313, okay? And right now, VTI, 294.20 is right at the money. And due to liquidity, I don't really want to go to Friday. I don't want to worry about what's happening overnight and things like this. I am perfectly happy. Usually, I will close on Thursdays, or any time for that matter, if I am 75% in the profit or more on a trade. I will leak that 25% just to ensure that this trade doesn't go against me, because rolling tomorrow may be hard. Why am I not going to roll right now? Well, it's better to sell calls on green days. So it's better for me to wait for maybe tomorrow to be a green day or even Monday or Tuesday to be a green day to capture a little more premiums for next Friday's expiration than to just take that right now. It's currently 314 on that Thursday, so this option is about to close right now. Guys, when you are going to close an option, all you need to do is buy that exact same option for the expiration date and for the strike price, and that is it. If it gets filled, you are going to buy to close. So if we open this, you get credit when you sell. So I received a credit of 264. That's what I received when I sold the option, right? When you sell something, you get money. But now I need to buy it back, all right? And this is one thing that a lot of YouTubers don't show, all right? They'll show you how much money they made today from selling options. But guys, there's always a second half to selling an option, right? Those people are not going to expiration, I promise. So they are buying to close later, and then their premium, although it's still going to be some money most likely, is going to be the difference. So please make sure when you're watching these guys with these multi-million-dollar Robinhood portfolios that are making 30 grand, like first of all, if they're talking about spreads, run for the hills, right? If you're a beginner and you're trading spreads, just run for the hills when you see that. But make sure that they're closing those options for you as well. So we have 264 was what I got. Right now I'm going to buy that back for 53 cents, okay? Or $53. So to do that, all I'm going to do is press trade. Now you can either go to the buy portion because you are going to buy to close. So you can do that and then enter it there. The other thing, if you want to just go to view all options, you can go, right now I have sell calls. I can go to buy calls, and you could do it that way. It doesn't really matter which way you do it. I personally am just going to go to buy, just so I buy to close. I have two contracts. Right now, the spread on that is the bid is 45 and the ask is 70. This is a medium likely to fill, meaning that 60 that they're going to give you, which is really just right in the middle, is just a medium likely for a fill. I'm just going to drop down and say that, or go up a little bit and just get this filled. By going closer to the ask, I'll pay 65 to get out of the way. I will review. I will close. Boom. That's going to be it. I've now paid back 130 of that option. If we go back to my home screen now, I do not have any of those options, and that option is closed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for a green day, and I am going to repeat that, and we'll see exactly how that works out. As far as these two trades for Tesla, for both those trades, like I said, I will accept assignment on puts. So I will take the 200 shares tomorrow, unless I'm just feeling like I don't want to do it. I will make a full update video tomorrow explaining how much money I actually made net from selling options and then all my buy to close. I did 4 different VTI calls this week and then a bunch of Tesla stuff. So we'll check in. But like I said, I just want to show you exactly how to do that and remind you that people are starting to come out of the woodworks with these bull markets. We're starting to see the crypto bros come out. We're starting to see the wheel people come back, including myself. Just make sure you're seeing the whole picture. Sell to open. Make sure you're seeing that buy to close as well. And guys, please, credit spreads. Unless you've been doing this for more than a year, stay away from credit spreads. You will get smoked, right? You will make premium, a bunch, but all it takes is one assignment on a credit spread to wipe out literally months of premium. I needed to just put that PSA out there. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the full update on exactly how much money I made selling options on Tesla and VTI this week. Give you a little bit of an idea of the difference between a volatile stock like Tesla and a really safe ETF like VTI, and give you an idea of how much premium you can expect to make on a $53,000 portfolio. All right? Love you guys. See you tomorrow.